afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to this channel. It has been long since I dropped a video on this channel. Now I want to be doing the video back to back. So today I want to show you guys how to download TikTok video without watermarks. Talk the tricks for today. If you don't know my name is Mufti BJ, and welcome to this BJ Tech channel. Now head over to your browser, okay, search for TikTok download.online. You can see it, just enter the platform. When you're done, head over to your this video. I'd like to go with this video. What you have to do here is just copy the link on this video. Okay, link copied. Now head over to this website and paste it there. Okay, click on download. Kindly wait, let it load. Now you can see it. You can download the video without watermark. Just choose the first option, close it. You can see it now, it is downloading. Let's do it while it's downloads. Okay, still waiting. Okay, let's check. Okay, now let's open it. Okay, that is all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video. If you want more tech tricks or anything about what you should use online, kindly DM me. Hope you understand. Thank you very much. I'll be dropping the video back to back. Just stay on this channel. I have more things to show you guys. Thank you all.